Good morning. It is Tuesday, April 14th, 2026, and we are just moments away from the opening bell. US stock futures are ticking higher this morning as investors grow increasingly optimistic about a potential de-escalation in the US-Iran conflict. Let's break down the essential market movers you need to know before trading begins. Starting with the big picture, the futures market is looking bright. S&P 500 futures are up 0.23% at 6,938, while the Nasdaq is climbing 0.5% to over 25,600. Interestingly, the Russell 2000 is outperforming the pack with a 0.75% jump, signaling that risk appetite is returning to smaller cap stocks. This rally is largely driven by diplomacy. Vice President Vance highlighted significant progress in negotiations with Iran held in Pakistan, and President Trump noted that Tehran is eager to reach a deal. This wave of optimism was strong enough to help the S&P 500 fully erase the losses suffered since the conflict began, a massive psychological milestone for the bulls. The commodity story is just as dramatic. Crude oil is under heavy selling pressure, with WTI dropping over 3% to trade around $96 a barrel. This sharp decline directly reflects the cooling geopolitical climate. Meanwhile, gold and silver continue to catch a bid as hedges, with silver surging nearly 3%. On the volatility front, the fear gauge, or VIX, has dropped sharply by over 4%, sitting at 18.29. Clearly, fear is exiting the building. In the crypto space, Bitcoin is riding the risk-on wave, surging nearly 5% to cross the $74,000 mark. Turning to corporate news, earnings season is delivering a mixed bag. JPMorgan beat expectations but slipped 1% after lowering its interest income guidance, while Wells Fargo dropped 2% on disappointing results. On the flip side, BlackRock rose 2% on strong numbers, and American Airlines soared 4% following reports of a potential merger proposal with United Airlines. In the tech sector, AI momentum remains the dominant theme. CoreWeave is continuing its surge following a Macquarie upgrade and major infrastructure contracts. Megacaps like Nvidia and Microsoft also finished the previous session with strong gains, providing a solid foundation for today's tech trade. Bottom line for this Tuesday, the market is running on Iran optimism, falling energy costs, and a steady tech lead. While earnings are providing some localized volatility, the overall trend remains resilient. Stay disciplined, stay informed, and we will see you in the next update. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to join our investing community. Also, hit that bell icon to stay updated on the latest market trends. See you in the next one. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Stock investing involves risk. Please conduct your own research before making any investment decisions.